Guangzhou SHENFA Company is a manufacturer dedicated to the field of specialty printing equipment. It has integrated research and development, design, production, sales, and technical services. SHENFA Company was founded in 1996. It locates in Huadu Airport Economic Zone of Guangzhou City, with a 50,000 square meter production plant. SHENFA Company sets up professional teams for new product researching and developing, CNC machining, assembling and commissioning, marketing, and after-sales service. It is a high-quality supplier in Greater China area of full servo, automatic multicolor screen printing and pad printing, and hot stamping machine, digital inkjet printing machine, inspection machine, and other automatic production line solutions. Under the background of the government's advocacy of the development of advanced intelligent equipment manufacturing industry, SHENFA Company has been actively leading this field for more than 20 years. With more than 50 independent research and development patents and European CA certifications, SHENFA Company leads to prepare several technical standards in their industry, providing technical support for the formulation of national standards. SHENFA Company has been awarded honorary titles, such as Guangzhou Enterprise R&D Organization by Guangzhou City Science and Technology Commission, Guangdong Province High-Tech Enterprise by Guangdong Province Science and Technology Department, and one of the top 10 innovative enterprises of China Screen Printing Digital by National Screen Printing Association. Our vision is to be a global leading manufacturer in the specialty printing industry. Our mission is committed to creating visual enjoyment to the world's merchandise. Our values are to respect customer, love family, 100% responsibility, passion, sharing and innovation. Our goal is to achieve sustainable sales growth with customers all over the world. Our belief is to work happily and live healthily. For environmentally friendly printing, SHENFA is always on the way.